So now that we got an understanding of what while loops are and what do while loops are, I'm going to go ahead and open our homework assignment and we'll go over it from there. And we'll run the program and make sure everything is working correctly. Alright, so I had to redo this because I opened the wrong one. So, alright, here we go. It should run correctly. And as you can see, we want it to be written into a text file and saved onto our desktop. So for that, we got the buffer writer, new buffer writer, new file writer, and we're writing it to, oh great, to this file, sum of numbers.txt. It's a text file. This is the location it's going to be in. So once I run it, it should save to my desktop. So okay, let's go ahead and run this. Enter a positive, not 0, so 9. So the sum of numbers from 1 to 9 is 45. The numbers and the sum have been written to the sum of numbers text file. So we'll go ahead and open the text file right now. And there, as you can see. Alright, so we're going to continue with project number 2. And for this one, we will write a program that will read numbers 1 through 10 in a text file using a loop and sum and average the numbers. The console will output numbers 1 through 10, the sum, and the average out. Alright, so I already did this, so let's go ahead and jump into NetBeans. Okay, let's go back here. My file readers, my buffered read, my exception, all imported. And of course we have my file location. This is important in the text file. You got to make sure that the numbers are separated, because that way the program is able to read it. And then I have my while statement. And let's just go ahead and run it. There you can go, numbers 1 through 10. The reason why it only shows up to 9 is because my text file only goes up to 9. So what you can do is open up the text file, add an extra number, and it'll do the sum and the average for all of them. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that really quick so that way you guys can see. Alright, so I went ahead and added 10 to it. Let's run it again. So now as you can see, it added 10. So sum 55, average 5.5, and that's that. Alright, so now we're going to go to project 3, write a program using a do while loop that lets the user enter 2 numbers and add the 2 numbers as an output, and ask the user if he or she wants to enter the numbers again. So let's jump into NetBeans. Alright, so let's pull it up. I have this somewhere around here. There it is. Okay, so pretty basic, pretty simple. I named it do while. That's what we're doing here. System out, enter the first number, double number 1. System out, enter the second number, double number 2. Double sum, number 1, number 2. And then while is basically the loop that'll repeat.
Alright, so we enter 8 to the second number, we enter 38, sum 46, you want to continue again, yes, to the first number, 8, and then when you press no, it should automatically close the program. There you go, print screen, goodbye. Alright, we got one more. Write a program that asks you either to enter rainfall in inches for 1 year while use while loop. After entering rainfall for the year, output the sum and average of the rainfall for the year. Also, if the user enters negative number for the rainfall, then use system out. Print line cannot enter 0 or negative number. Okay, all right, let's go to NetBeans. Rainfall. All right, so number of months, we got 12 because there's 12 months in a year. Double total rain. Double monthly rainfall, month 1. All right, so we're gonna ask the user enter the monthly rainfall for 1 year. Then we're gonna have our loop. A month is less than or equal to the number of months. That'll be the formula. Then it'll print month, and then whatever month it is plus the results. And if rainfall is less than or equal to 0, cannot enter a 0 or negative number when entering rainfall. Try again. So if you enter 0 or a negative number, it should print out this error message. Then we got our double rainfall equals total rain divided by number of months. And this should output our results. So let's run it real quick. Alright, let's say 1 month was 2, month 2 was 5, 3 was 2, 4 was 2, and as you can see I put a 0. Negative numbers, so you try again. So let's put 8 for 5, for 6, 7 for 7, 3 for 8, for 9. Let's try a negative number, see if that works. Okay, so it's working properly. Alright, let's do 10, we'll do 9 again, then 1, 1, and then we got our yearly rainfall statistics. Total rainfall 53 inches, average rainfall 4.4, whatever. And that's just all there is to it, and this is what you can do with loops. And you can obviously do many more things with loops. You just gotta test it out, create your own programs, and go from there. So there you have it. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or complaints, just leave it in the comment section. Try my best to get back to you. Other than that, that's it. I'm out.